Welcome back to Cool Trade University. This is Gene Guarino. We're going to continue with our series on stock market terms and definitions. This is not designed to be an exhaustive training, just an introduction to the terms that you're going to be seeing. So if you don't quite get it on the first run through, feel free to watch it again and again if you need to. But I want to give you enough information so you have a little familiarity and comfort with at least hearing those terms the first time. So let's go into RSI, or Relative Strength Index. Relative Strength Index, RSI, is the relative strength of the average of the number of upward price movements in a period divided by the average of the number of downward price movements. The higher the RSI, the more interested people are in buying rather than selling. Now, the relative strength is a technical indicator used in the analysis of financial markets. It's intended to chart the current and historical strength or weakness of a market or a stock, and it's based on the closing prices of a recent trading period. The indicator should not be confused with relative strength. The RSI is classified as a momentum oscillator, measuring the velocity and the magnitude of the directional price movements. Momentum is the rate of the rise or fall in price. The RSI computes momentum as the ratio of higher closes to the lower closes. Stocks which have had more or stronger positive changes have a higher RSI, and stocks which have had more or stronger negative changes. The RSI is most typically used on a 14-day time frame, measured on a scale from 0 to 100. With high and low levels marked at 70 and 30 respectively. Shorter or longer time frames are used, alternatively shorter or longer outlooks. More extreme high and low levels, let's say 80 and 20 or 90 and 10, occur less frequently but indicate even stronger momentum. As an introduction to RSI, you now have an idea talking about the strength of a move. Again, at Cool Trade University, this series is intended to introduce these terms and definitions to you. If you want to listen to it again, feel free to do that. We're going to move on to our next one at Cool Trade University.